Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize bulk upload for 1099s in Track1099 step by step clearly. To authorize bulk upload for 1099s in Track1099, begin by logging into your Track1099 account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Find the bulk upload section, which is typically located in the main menu. Click on bulk upload to access the upload interface. If you haven't previously set up bulk upload permissions, you will need to do so. Look for the option that says Authorize Bulk Upload. Click on this option to begin the authorization process. You may be prompted to select the users that will have permission for bulk uploads. Choose the users by checking the appropriate boxes next to their names. After selecting the users, review the permissions carefully. Once you are satisfied, click on the Authorize button to grant access. The system will process your authorization request. You should see a confirmation message indicating the successful authorization. If you encounter any errors, double-check the user selections and try again. Once authorized, return to the bulk upload section. Now you can upload your 1099 files in bulk using the provided interface. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your files. Make sure your files are formatted correctly for the system to recognize them. After the upload is complete, review the submission for accuracy. You are now ready to complete any additional steps for filing your 1099s. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.